Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the door lock on a Hoover tumble dryer. If your door isn't shutting properly, it's most likely the door lock that's the problem. If that's the case, then you'll need to replace the door lock to keep your machine running smoothly and efficiently. Thankfully, it's a very easy fix that you can do at home without having to call out a professional. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver with a T20 head. You'll also need a new door lock, which we'll provide a link to in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. Now, the first thing you need to do is to inspect the door catch, also known as a striker. Because if this is damaged, this could be the problem, and then you can simply replace this. However, if you inspect this and make sure that there is no problem with the door catch, the screw or the anchor inside, then it's likely that the door lock needs replacing. To remove the door lock, you need to first take off the door seal, which should simply pull away like so. You can then remove the door and hinge by undoing the two T20 screws that hold it in place. Now we need to remove this front panel from the tumble dryer. To do that, we need to remove the 4 screws around the door, and also I can demonstrate using the flathead screwdriver where the other 2 screws are. They are underneath this panel, so they also need to be removed so we can take it off. With all the screws removed from the front panel, you can see that it simply lifts away from the tumble dryer, and you can access the door lock from behind. To remove the door lock, push in the 2 tabs, one at the bottom and one at the top, using your Phillips screwdriver, and you can see that it will release the door lock, and you can take it out. Now, it's worth taking a photograph of the 2 electrical connections, or in this case, I'll just note that the black one is on the right-hand side and the blue and brown is on the left-hand side, before taking them off, and then the door lock is free. To ensure that you're getting the correct door lock for your particular tumble dryer, you're going to need to know the model number. This will ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're not sure about where to find the model number on your tumble dryer, check out our video here. To fit your new door lock, you need to fit the electrical connections first using the picture taken earlier if necessary, and then you can slot it in to the front panel, making sure that the 2 tabs lock into place successfully, and then you can refit the screws. With all the screws fitted into the front panel, you can then replace the bottom kick plate, making sure it clicks into place. And then refit the door and door hinge. And the last thing you need to do is to simply refit the door sill, which slots into place on the front, and then also close your door to make sure that the door lock is working correctly. So there we have it, how to replace the door lock on a Hoover tumble dryer. Hopefully your machine is back up and running once again. Now, while you're here, check out this video, energy saving tips for your tumble dryer, to help you save money and energy whilst using your machine. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, maintenance advice, how-to guides, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.